Monday, February 1st. Our unit on cells is progressing forward with what is a cell, what do they look like, what do they do, and how do they do it. Some pretty main concepts you would think you'd want to know if you know anything about a cell. Here's our know, understands, and do's for the unit. Okay. Organelles, the difference between the different types of cells, understand how they meet the characteristics of life and the functions of common cell organelles, and that you can communicate this knowledge through storyboarding and video. Today's lesson, we've got a new seating chart. We'll quickly get arranged in our new seats, tables, and I'll tell you why here and when we get down to number 3. You've got your cells test available to you on Moodle. You should take that. You get up to 3 attempts, highest grade. And then you're going to move on to number 43, which is a storyboard that, which is a web service that allows us to storyboard ideas. And from there, we'll use WeVideo, another cloud-based service you each have a subscription to. And you're going to make videos that focus on one of the 4 topics you see below: cell cycle with mitosis, meiosis or meiosis, cellular respiration, glucose and oxygen to water and carbon dioxide. And then you're going to compare nerve, muscle, skin cells as though they met, or some creative way to talk about cell specialization and how they're different from one another. Before you go, make sure you submit your test on Moodle, and that is your Monday. So February 2nd, going to look much like it did yesterday. You're going to spend all of your time probably working on number 43, the storyboard that, and WeVideo. Make sure second day available to you to take your test. That's 2 one-hour sessions. By now you should have your attempts done. If not, you need to do them at home. It's time for us to move on. Make sure you go over your topic and you learn about it with your group. You storyboard your video plan first. Then we'll move on to shooting video and then editing video. And we're going to have the week to do that with a couple of days next week. That's kind of our long-term plan. February 3rd, right back in with cells and videos and storyboarding. Today should be entirely set aside for you to go through the process of storyboarding and then creating video. And I'll bounce around and visit with each of the tables, talk about your topics, make sure you got a firm grasp on what's going on, and if you need any assistance from me. Okay, Thursday, February 4th. You can probably guess what we're doing. As mentioned, you should be working on 43, storyboard that, and WeVideo. Your storyboard, you've had a couple days. It should be pretty well full developed, and you should start transitioning into actual shooting video. If you want to use your own personal devices, you may. You can use Chromebook screen, or you can use 2 of the tablets in class. I will show you how to shoot video, and then be sure you can upload it to WeVideo. Make sure you click the class account link for WeVideo so you've got premium features and not just the free version. And away you go. All right, Friday the 5th. And as you have done all week, it is time to focus your attention to 43. You're at a point now where you should be filming, definitely, and some of you might be moving towards some basic editing, but at least move out of your storyboard and into filming, or you're going to run out of time. And that's how we end the week.